ready for us dahil ito na nga ang pinakahihintay ng lahat. Mag-live-in na kami.
So guys, this is a public announcement. We're living in
Together. Tara guys, disclosure lang ha. Hindi kami mag-jowa. We're just
Parang alam naman nila yun.
friends.
Saan mo yung vape?
Hindi, kasi may boyfriend ako.
Maraming salamat sa mga supportan nyo dahil sa inyo. Nandito na kami.
Yes,
Kung
we
wala
made it.
kayo,
We made
kung wala
it.
dahil sa mga viewers namin, hindi namin kamali. So,
And what?
to our fans.
Also, a big thanks to Priscello for recommending this house to us. Meantime, nag-move in pa lang kami.
Yes, and guys, everyone is welcome to our house
Yes.
party once
Yes.
everything's set up.
Mhm.
So, abangan
So,
nyo yan
we're
sa
having
next vlog.
housewarming party pretty soon will be announced. For the meantime, nag-ayos pa kami ng place.
Before ang lahat, mag-register muna kayo sa QR
Yes.
code na ito
Later magpo-post kami ng
Yes.
QR code na link kung saan kayo pwede mag-register.
sa ating house party.
Don't miss this.
Mga early birds, 200 pesos ang entrance fee. Sa
Yes.
mga regular customers, around 500 yan.
And unlimited cocktails end at 11 p.m. So,
And we have our
Mabot kayo.
very special guests, mga drag queens. Ayan, so watch out for Marina Summers, Precious Paula
Yeah,
Nicole.
Maxi Anderson
Yes,
as well.
that's correct.
So they will all be performing here sa bago namin yun. Kaya don't miss out, everyone. Mark your calendars.
Ito na ang simula ng pagbabago.